We built the Houdini jacket to be a one-stop shop for lightweight wind protection on runs, rides, hikes, and climbs. Something to grab instinctively, no matter the sport at hand. This featherweight shell is made from 100% recycled, wind-resistant nylon ripstop fabric. Light precipitation sheds right off, thanks to a durable, water-repellent finish that's made without PFCs, also known as PFAS, or forever chemicals. When the wind gusts hard, batten down the hatches by cinching up the hood and tightening the drawcord hem. But this jacket's best trick is its simplicity. It has only the features you need and none that you don't. The single chest pocket fits small essentials and turns into a stuff sack, so you can pack your Houdini away when not in use, and never question whether to bring it along. When the weather is fair, just hide the Houdini jacket deep in your bag or clip it to your harness. You might forget that it's there until you need it. No matter where your busy multi-sport life takes you, the Houdini will go too.